Have you ever wondered what forgiveness actually means? Not just saying it's okay, but truly letting go, making room for something new, something better. There's this powerful moment at the end of the Gospel of John where Peter, a fisherman and one of Jesus' closest friends, faces the consequences of his own mistakes. See, just days before, Peter denied even knowing Jesus 3 times. Imagine the weight of that regret. Now, after all the chaos, Jesus is alive again. He meets Peter by the sea over a simple breakfast of bread and fish. No crowds, no lectures, just 2 friends sitting quietly together. Jesus looks at Peter and asks, "Do you love me?" Not once, but 3 times. It's like each question peels away a layer of Peter's shame, giving him a chance to respond, to heal, to say yes. It's not just about word sits, about restoring a broken relationship. And here's the thing. Jesus doesn't just forgive Peter, he gives him a mission. Feed my sheep, he says. In other words, take care of others. Build something beautiful out of what's been broken. This story isn't just about Peter. It's about all of us. We all mess up. We all need second chances. And sometimes the hardest part is forgiving ourselves. But in this moment, Jesus shows us that love can rewrite your story if you let it. So next time you feel weighed down by regret, remember Peter by the fire. Remember that forgiveness is real, restoration is possible, and your story isn't over yet.